I'm Chef Makayla, M-A-K-Y-L-A. Today we're making Johnny. First, I chop the scallion into fine pieces. This will be used in the dough later. Then I mix the flour, yeast, baking soda, salt, and the finely chopped greens. Now I add the milk, melted butter, and stir until a dough forms. Use your hands to make a big squishy ball. The dough is sleepy now. Cover it up with a towel or a lid. Go to sleep, dough. See you in a little bit. Wake up! Time to get flat. I'm rolling it out like a big pancake. We put oil on the stick so it's slippery. Push hard with your muscles. I'm making little circles. Line them on a baking tray. Remember to poke some holes before you bake. Now they are ready for the hot oven. Look, they are all done. They are so crunchy. Delicious. Bye, everyone. If you liked this, press the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next yummy mess.